Hi. In simpliRP, it is very easy to generate a vendor inquiry directly from purchase requisition. Go to PR print. Select the date range for the PR to be printed. Then, please click on that PR for print preview. In that against that particular item, click Create RFQ for this PR. Please select the particular vendor to whom you want to send the inquiry. You can enter the quantity and preferred price and get the estimated amount. You can save this sheet as PDF or print it. You can also change the vendor and address if required. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your purchases. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.